very crucial board meet at Yes Bank today, one that the street will closely watch out for. The cues of the outcome will give strong indications as to what really the growth map will be for Yes Bank going forward. Do remember, Reserve Bank of India has cut short Rana Kapoor's tenure as MD and CEO. In fact, he will be stepping down in January 2019. Now, there are two important pieces that the board will take up as part of the core agenda. One, of course, will be to understand what will be the role of Rana Kapoor at Yes Bank, considering that he is a founder, promoter and has been a whole-time director. Also, the fact that it is seemingly the case that Rana Kapoor and Madhu Kapoor, the joint promoters, will have to endorse the successor that a search panel may suggest in the days to come. In fact, do remember that Madhu Kapoor and Rana Kapoor have been in conflict since 2009. They have been engaged in a legal battle since 2013, and there is a grey area as to how smooth this entire process will be, considering that the two are feuding till date. Apart from this, of course, the articles of association clearly indicate that as far as the whole-time director is concerned, the promoters can recommend a name, but both have to jointly endorse the name recommended for the appointment to be confirmed. So one will have to watch out for Rana Kapoor's role as director at Yes Bank going forward. It seems to be under a cloud currently, and these are some areas that will also give investors strong indications about how the management will go about in ensuring that there's a seamless transition of leadership in the days to come.
Thanks.